Hi, I'm Jenni Rawlings. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Have you ever been confused by an overly complicated yoga alignment cue that you heard? Have you ever heard a claim made about the body in a yoga class that made you think, that might be pseudoscience? Have you ever felt like strength training could really enhance and support your yoga practice, but you're not really sure where to start with strength training? Well, if any of those three things are true, then you've come to the right place and you should subscribe to this channel right now. On this channel, I have three main focuses, and the first is to share information about yoga anatomy and movement science, and that's with the intention of educating and empowering yoga teachers and yoga practitioners so that we can feel more knowledgeable and more confident in the yoga that we practice and teach. A second focus on my channel is that I share ideas and creative tips for yoga sequencing. And a third focus on this channel is something that I offer in collaboration with the amazing Travis Pollan. Travis is an exercise science professor, and I collaborate with him on many projects. But our biggest one is called Strength for Yoga. And Strength for Yoga is something that we created in order to empower yogis to feel that strength training is more accessible and relevant for them. And that's because we know that strength is so beneficial for everyone, but especially for yogis, because a yoga practice is not a good means of building long-term progressive strength. So that's what Strength for Yoga is about. Strength education for yogis. And so we share some Strength for Yoga content here on this channel as well. So again, if any of those focuses interest you, you should subscribe right now so you can stay up to date on all of these good things. And then a final offering here on this channel is that this channel is the house of the video version of the Yoga Meets Movement Science podcast. And that's a podcast that I co-host with Travis, who I mentioned earlier. And in that podcast, we address many of the common myths, controversies, and questions that arise in the yoga, the movement, and the fitness worlds. So if you're interested in geeking out on yoga and movement and myths and all of that, join us for the podcast. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll stay up to date on all of the new episodes of the podcast. Thanks again for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you again here soon.